their tops are covered. Look at the clouds and everything are doing as you get over here. All that misty, weird stuff around the mountains is kind of cool. I love the way it looks. I hope it shows on the video, but look at what the clouds are doing. Almost magical, like something going on. And then these beautiful giant peaks in the distance. She can't even see because they're taller than the clouds.